Organizations in Texas. That organization objective is one of these for help people that we vulnerable in my country, here in America. We come together, bring all the organizations from Texas, they will survey. We see as necessary for them to establish an organization where we will come together at least one day. We'll all meet together as Sierra Leoneans and one voice. And one of the objectives what we could do for help back home, we therefore define what is really necessary for help. And in that time, since we established this in 2010, and we don't do a lot. The organization started with one Dr. Alushan Gallo, professor at one University of Texas, Arlington. And then we pick up from there with the president, current president, Ruben Dumaina. He took up the whole thing and move on and on. We want to establish, we want to organize the community to come together for us to raise up funds and for us to help back home. Out of this, during the Ebola, we don't bring a lot of help during the Ebola. We bring some medical consignments for money. We work in concert with Restore Hope, one organization who we work in partnership. Restore Hope before, that is during the Ebola period. And so we do a lot, we don't do a lot back home. And when the mudslide came back, we therefore problematized the entire community. They say, hey, let us help back home for this incident. We don't happen. And the community turned out overwhelmingly for our help back home. And we raise up a lot of things and we therefore partner because it's difficult for us quickly so that they need any documentation. Then all the agencies, whether they are abroad or even locally, then we will help for build that place there, which is a very good deal for the country as a whole. And then again, the WFP as well, that is the procedure. I know they always get a time frame when they support. They say go to 6-7 months. When we get funds, we will continue back. I hope the WFP will consider this organization has a very important place to support. And the food is the most important thing we need to continue for you. Not only 6 months, not only 1 year, not only 2 years. It has to be a continuous program. And the government, I see no reason why social welfare was slow for giving support. But, with these guys, SLBC will air out this message around the world because they go worldwide, nationwide. Everybody will see the reason. I appreciate Fatima for visiting here. That is humanitarian kind. I hope we will continue with that process so that this organization, this agency, DMPK will get a better life. And then, of course, the new government will take over from that. I believe then go on. It's a new system. Maybe this will be speed, they will able to speed them up when I get from the land. When I don't do well, Mama Ila is an example of, as I say, Mother Teresa, with that age, they decide for sacrifice in retirement benefit for help them picking up. God will help her by that. Otherwise, by that age, they will say, well, let me get to the benefit, which I can forget out of this. But you decide for do this, it's good. And ASLOT, which I can show you, when I take this message to them, we will continue to support this, and we will tell the entire community in Texas today, we will inform them. When they go see them, we will say this, like Jenny. People then go willing now say, okay, we'll not contribute for help there. We'll find a way we will help them. So I hope that all will continue. I tell Unatenki, I tell the sisters, them or aunties and uncles for help, take care of them, be care, look at children like this, under 5s, they get disability, picking them, abandoned child, so then send an eye. So that is a very big thing, where people then for consider, the whole world for consider, all agencies then for consider, government for consider. It is a very good thing. Look at that one to the clap. So I appreciate when I don't do this here, so working together in different political aspects or in different tribes or in different culture. When we live in the diaspora, we get to live as one people and one country. That we believe in, we decide to come together for do these things here. So, yeah, of course, Mama Ila, if I were a journalist, Mama Ila is the how do you call it?
Mother Teresa
is the Mother Teresa of Sierra Leone, of course. With that age, the sacrifice in retirement benefits for you that retirement benefit for ensuring taking their life. It is a great deal. That is one example of patriotism. We need to think about any Sierra Leonean for do when you are abroad. And in the country, I don't see no reason why them for don't slow down for getting people at the land after the president don't approve everything for make them issue documents, because nobody not go help them for build this structure without that documentation.
from USAID, the Office of the National Security, we've been called representative from USAID, we've been called from the diaspora office. They all been there for make we show some kind of transparency and see how best we can able for share. Even it not be enough because the number was so great. Yes, but we do what we be able and what we get our way on. So when it comes to the time of school back again, we be get some school learning materials with Mr. Cole.